We will now focus on utilizing the CMS to edit content. Begin by clicking the lock for editing to edit a piece or page of content. Click the Edit Content buttons next to each entry on the page to edit that piece of content. The Attention Editor's notes gives the content structure where the entry lives. Focusing on that content structure, be aware that web pages can pull content from a mini database within the CMS to display information programmatically. Within this structure, it is easy to manage content, add entries, and remove entries. After locking for editing, you can begin to add entries to a page by clicking the Add New button. Fill out the form fields for each entry with a title and web title. The entry title does not show live and is used for databasing purposes only. The web title will show live. Naming both titles the same thing is acceptable. Within the fields, you can add an external link, such as a Google Drive link, and a call to action, which can be attached to one piece of content. To increase your searchability, add tags separated by commas to each entry that are related to the content piece, like students, athletics, and community. If you're done editing or managing your content, you can click Save Publish to make the content live on the web. If you need to come back to finish later, click Save. It will leave the entry unpublished. To edit already existing content, click Lock for editing on the desired page. Click the Edit Content button next to an entry, update the form fields, and click Save and Publish. Regardless of whether you are editing or adding new content, the WYSIWYG editor allows you to add emphasis and formatting. Just like Word or Google Docs, it allows for bolded words, italics, inline linking, and much more. Lastly, you can remove entries. Begin on the admin screen, click the Content tab, manually locate the content, or select the Type drop-down and find the content structure you would like to remove. Right-click on the desired entry, select Unpublish. When you are done managing your content, be sure to log out via the task pane or by clicking your name and selecting Log Out.